100 English Words Challenge. Welcome to Amuse Academia. Are you tired of using the same simple words over and over again? Do you want to sound more fluent and advanced in English? Well, you're in the right place. In this series, we'll learn 100 powerful verbs along with their advanced synonyms to take your English to the next level. Today, we'll cover 10 common verbs, their advanced alternatives, and how to use them effectively. So let's dive in. Number one, accept means to take or agree to something. Alternatives are acknowledge and embrace. Basic sentence, I accept his apology. Advanced sentence, I acknowledge his apology with a nod. More advanced sentence, I embrace his apology and moved on. Number two is achieve, means to succeed in reaching a goal. Synonyms are accomplish and attain. Basic sentence, he achieved her goal. Advanced, she accomplished her goal after years of hard work. More advanced, she attained success through dedication. Number three, add, which means to put something together. Synonyms are incorporate and append. Basic, he added sugar in his tea. Advanced, he incorporated honey into his tea for a healthy option. More advanced, he appended a final note to his speech. Number four, agree, to have the same opinion. Alternatives are concur and endorse. Basic, I agree with your opinion. Advanced, I concur with your perspective on this issue. More advanced, I endorse your idea wholeheartedly. Number five, allow, means to give permission. Synonyms are permit and authorize. Basic, the teacher allowed us to leave early. Advanced, the teacher permitted us to leave before class ended. More advanced, the principal authorized an early dismissal. Well, see the difference. Number six, answer means to reply to a question. Alternatives are respond and retort. Basic, he answered the question. Advanced, he responded thoughtfully to the question. More advanced, he retorted with a sharp reply. See the difference? Yeah, let's go to number seven. Ask means to request or inquire. Synonyms are inquire and request. Basic, I asked about the schedule. Advanced, I inquired about the new class schedule. More advanced, I requested a change in my schedule. Number eight, avoid, to stay away from something. Alternatives are evade and circumvent. Basic, he avoided the traffic. Advanced, he evaded the heavy traffic by taking a shortcut. More advanced, he circumvented the rules cleverly. Number nine, begin means to start something. Synonyms are commence and initiate. Basic sentence, the meeting began at 10 a.m. Advanced, the meeting commenced at exactly 10 a.m. More advanced, the manager initiated the discussion with an important point. Number 10, believe means to accept something as true. Synonyms trust and regard. Basic, I believe in hard work. Advanced, I trust that hard work leads to success. More advanced, I regard perseverance as the key to achievement. So, that's it for today's lesson. By replacing basic verbs with these advanced synonyms, you'll sound more fluent, natural, and sophisticated in English. In the next episode, we'll explore 10 more powerful verbs. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Amuse Academia. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.